voy a hacer encima de time. Que yo necesito para la temporada y llego claro.
Members of the media. My name is Ronald Nyakweba. I'm the CEC for Medical Services, Public Health and Sanitation, Kisii County Government. We just call you here to inform you as follows, that first, I must congratulate our health workers across the 161 facilities in Kisii County for remaining calm and continuing discharging their duties as normal, despite the strike notice that was issued by their union officials. As you can see, members of the press, I'm joined here with our health workers. We have clinicians here, we have doctors present, we have nurses, lab techs, across the board. This is a confirmation that services at our facilities continue being discharged as usual. I know you have seen a few people moving around the streets of town. I want to confirm to you that these are a few disgruntled elements. Some of them are students from Kisii University who are doing medicine. Others are people that they are brought from other counties just to disrupt services. But we are happy that nothing has been disrupted. You can see members of the public are here. They are actually very happy and enjoying the services that are being offered by health workers. You are aware that we have been having some conversations, consultative forums with the representatives of health workers, that is all the unions. We have 5 unions in Kisii County. We have had very fruitful meetings, very productive, that culminated into the final consultative forum that was presided over by His Excellency the Governor of Kisii County, Honorable Paul Simbarati. On Friday at ATC, you were present. That conversation or consultative meetings led to signing of a memorandum of understanding, which spelled very clearly the roadmap on addressing issues that were raised by our health workers. 3 out of 5 unions availed themselves and signed the MOU with the county government of Kisii. 2 who were invited but decided to stay away and gave premise reasons why they could not attend, did not sign the MOU. However, with confidence, their members are on duty. This morning we took a duty roster, and everybody who is a member of staff in Kisii County Health Facilities was present. Our SMOHs across the 21 facilities that are level 4s have confirmed that everybody is on duty, clinic officers, doctors, pharmacists, everybody is present, and therefore, so far so good. Our Kisii County residents, I want to assure you that everything is normal in government and in our health facilities. Please don't shy away from bringing your patients to come and get their services from our health workers. Everything is good. Guys, the roadmap that we gave our health workers is very clear. We gave it with very clear timelines on the issues that they raised, and those issues, as agreed, will be addressed by the county government. That commitment was given by His Excellency himself. They will be addressed, and therefore I want to urge our health workers to remain calm and be assured that their grievances will be handled very expeditiously by all arms of government in Kisii County. And therefore, those officers who have come from Migori, from Kisumu, from wherever they have come from, to disrupt the peace, you can see there are about 50 guys who are demonstrating in the streets. Some of them are just being selfish because the officials who we met with throughout the week and made a commitment to allow the government to address their grievances have already again gone to the streets. We urge them, you know, they are exercising their democratic right, which we have no problem with. But we want to assure you everything is good.